The Radiation Technology Center specializes in the radiation processing of non-routine samples at high precision, with high quality and at a rapid turnaround. This chart shows the scope of the RTC offering and the supporting laboratory testing services. Every year, we process billions of single-use medical devices, healthcare consumables, and other products, all requiring sterilization via irradiation. An E-beam, gamma, or X-ray irradiation process requires validation and testing prior to routine processing. The purpose of a validation is to ensure the microorganisms carried by the product and packaging are rendered inactive, while also ensuring that the performance of both the medical device and sterile barrier packaging remain within specification. These validation activities require the product to be dose-mapped using dosimeters, radiation measuring devices. The dose mapping determines the areas of lowest and highest absorbed dose within the product. Our experienced TechTeam professionals, enhanced processing methodologies, and dedicated equipment are utilized to achieve the precise validation activity requirements. The packaged product is exposed to radiation for a period of time, which is established through our knowledge of both the materials used and the irradiation source. The dosimeters are measured to confirm the product has received the required dose range. During validation activity, the minimum and maximum dose are set to ensure the product remains fully functional while maintaining a sterile barrier. After completing the validation with the support of the TechTeam Professionals and STERIS testing services, the product is now ready for routine processing. All this and more can be achieved with the support of the STERIS Radiation Technology Centers, our tech team, and testing and validation services. Contact us to learn more about our specialized RTC facilities globally. We help our customers create a healthier and safer world.